back on the camera, and today, as you could tell, we got a little something different today. Today we're gonna be taking some eddies. That's what we're gonna be doing for today. See how crazy that looks. Yeah, it's a whole little vibe out here right now. So like, most likely I'm gonna get some like little clips in, some cool little clips. A sativa, and this one is orange on the pack. So we're gonna see if we need another one. We're gonna take another one, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try and get some cool little clips, little footage. I'm gonna insert the clips, just gonna vibe and get some good footage. Man, this thing is so huge. Keep it pushing. We're gonna see. I think I'm going the wrong way. So who let me out here by myself? Got some nice lighting out here. But not too much. It's like I'm just chilling. I wasn't gonna record the whole thing.